Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to CVTC and our newly renovated Emergency Services Education Center.
Welcome all of you to this beautiful, beautiful building, this beautiful facility that houses our greatest treasures, our students and our faculty. We've always taken extraordinary pride here at CVTC at being at the forefront of innovation, and now this new training facility gives us the tools, the much needed resources to continue to be at the forefront of this innovation.
There are some days that we mark on our calendar, weeks, months ahead. We schedule around it. We make sure we're going to be there. We show up, and then we remember those days for the rest of our lives. This is one of those days. This is a great day.
In this building, your support will allow first responders, firefighters, and law enforcement officers to better serve our communities.
We are very excited to be in the new spaces and using all the new things that we now have to offer our students.
Through the amazing teachers and TAs we have here at CVTC, I believe each student is offered the full educational experience. We are very fortunate to have this newly renovated building, and I'm excited for all of the opportunities offered to help us students reach our full potential.
Some of the areas of improvement: scenario training and evaluation space is increased. The fitness center prepares all three programs, police, fire, and EMS, for a job that is rigorous. The apparatus bay, as you're sitting in, we have additional classrooms. We actually added 3. Our student commons and our staff and faculty offices have greatly improved. The new ESEC is beautiful. It gives us a lot of space to interact and collaborate. Yes, it has been a journey, and we have reached our destination.